Today I will show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So first step is go to search bar of any browser and write there Windows 11. So you can see the first result Windows 11 and go to Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. We have to go at the bottom of this page as we are going to download ISO image. This is must to ensure smooth running. So select ISO image, confirm it. It will validate your request. Then select your language and choose English United States. Then confirm. After confirmation, you will see 64-bit download and select this option and this will start downloading. I will pause it because I have downloaded it already. So I have after downloading, I have pasted this in my F drive. You can see here the ISO image, disk image file of almost 7.5 GB here. So then next step is you have to extract this folder, complete folder anywhere you wanted to. But you can use WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, then go to WinRAR and download WinRAR and run this and you will see the option of extraction. I have already extracted this because I have completed this on my PC which was not meeting the Windows 11 hardware requirements. So this is the folder. You can see I have extracted it, but before this we have one step after extraction. So go to a text file, open any text file, blank text file, and write there setup.exe space slash product space server. I have already done this. So go to file and save as this file as update.bat. Remember this. I will repeat. Remember update.bat file in a folder where you have this folder extracted Windows 11. So I will save this here. I have already created this, so I will not replace it, or we can replace it. This is no issue. So I will write this text in my video description also, so you can easily type this. Please don't mistake in typing. So then go to this folder and you will be able to see and update option. So this is Windows batch file and you have to run this. Run as administrator. Make sure if this does not run once, then try again. Sometimes it does not run in a first attempt, so you have to again attempt this. So I will again attempt. It was not running first time, so I will again try this and it is now working. So we can give another option of open and you can see this is working now. So it's preparing. You can see all options, checking for updates. Wait for a while and it will give you all options. To simply run this file and your PC will restart multiple times, as you know, like in traditional manners, it keeps restarting during Windows installation, like we were doing it with Windows 10. So it's getting ready, checking your PC, and it you have to wait few seconds here. Just I am showing you because once you are running practically on your PC, so you don't worry that it has been taking lot of time. So we'll accept these terms And there is a multiple option. You can keep file setting and apps, keep personal files only, nothing. So you have, it's your wish. You wanted to delete all apps and wanted to again reinstall fresh apps, then choose this option. Otherwise, if you wanted to keep your apps, files, and settings and everything like you have in your PC, so you should select this option. So I will select this option and next. Make sure you are ready to install. So this will take a few minutes and it will start installing. It's checking for updates, and after this it will start installation. So I will show you here the complete process. Wait here please, keep checking this. So you can see here, install Windows 11 Pro, and our settings are key files, settings and apps. You can change what to keep, like I have shown you three options before this. So now you can enter install, and this will start installing, and it will restart your PC number of times and you will be ready to install. I will not be installing it because I have already installed it, and after this you can log in and see your PC is ready to use for Windows 11. Thank you very much. I hope this video makes you makes your way to easily install Windows 11 on your PC, whether it meets requirements, whether it don't meet your requirements. Thank you very much.